dog off the pillow.
That's nice.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Shut up. Stupid Ewok.
Ewok?
Yeah.
Ew.
Is that your Ewok?
Hey,
He's looking at me like,
little rat.
you're a rat. What do you want, Gavin?
Why are you growling at my dog?
I hope guys don't watch this video. Well, especially this.
Don't worry, you're from far away. See, look, he's a cute, sweet, innocent little puppy. And her. And freaking chew off my face.
It's because I was thinking it was dusty and I went like that.
Well, that's pleasant.
Hi.
Oh.